Hey everyone, if you have been a subscriber to my channel for a while now, first and foremost, thank you. Your support means so much. And second, you've probably noticed that I've been experimenting with some new styles of videos. I added voiceover to my walkarounds to give you some context about the vehicles. And a little while back, I kicked off a series called Cariosity that instead of formally reviewing the cars, focused on one unique element about each vehicle. And well, after a while of mixing it up, one thing is pretty clear, and that's that these videos are not your cup of tea. And that's okay, because not every idea is a great one, and I want to be considerate about why you subscribe to this channel, what content you actually want to see. So with that in mind, I'm going to be switching back to the old format of videos. In other words, quiet walkarounds that show you the ins and outs of each car, POV drives that give you that first-person experience behind the wheel, and formal car reviews. In terms of when you can expect to see this content each week, Monday is going to be dedicated to those POV drives, though because of my time constraints, it's not going to be every Monday, but I will get them up as frequently as possible. Every Wednesday, though, you are going to get a fresh walk-around video, and every Friday, you will either see a car review or some special feature. And now we arrive at the participation part of this video, because if you like the sound of this new old format, then you're definitely going to want to hit that little notification bell on my channel page so you are updated every time I post a new video. Even if you only like the sound of 1 out of 3 of these new videos, new old videos, then you'll still want to get updated, so you'll want to hit that notification bell. As always, likes, comments, and shares are hugely appreciated. And if you want to get daily updates on the cars I'm reviewing, you'll want to follow me on Instagram. I will be sure to put my handle in this video. And that about does it for me. I'm just going to go drive this BMW i8 Spider, and I hope you check out the content for this vehicle on my channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys.